The first one we have here is divide x to the power 4 minus 1 by x minus 1. Divide x to the power 4 minus 1 by x minus 1. Okay, so this is polynomial of power 4. And this one, we're going to use the long division. And also, please subscribe so that you're able to type your questions and forward your comments. Thank you for coming on. These are polynomial x to the power 4 minus 1. We're dividing by x minus 1. The first thing we do is to take this one, x to the power 4, and divide by what? By the first one here. X minus 1 is a divisor. So you divide x to the power 4, take one of these, the first one, over the first one here. So it's giving us x to the power 3. To multiply x to the power 3 times x, that's x to the power 4. X to the power 3 times minus 1. So I'm going to do something here. I'm going to make this one 0x3 plus 0x3 plus 0x2 plus 0x and then minus 1. I'm making the polynomial to be much easy. Power 4, power 3, power 2, power 1, and the constant value. So x to the power 3 times x, we have this. X to the power 3 times minus 1, we have what? We have minus what? Minus x3. Then you can do your subtraction. So it's 0 minus x3. So that's giving us what? Plus x cube. Okay, then you bring the next value, bring it down. So plus what? 0x squared. Then you take the first one also here, x3, you divide by the what? By the first one here. So it's giving you what? S squared. This is a plus s cube. And then you divide by what? By this one. So we have what? We have plus x squared. And then repeat the process. S squared times x, that's a s cube. S squared times minus 1, minus what? Minus x squared. Do the subtraction. So s cube minus s cube, 0. Then we have 0 minus x squared. So that's a plus x to the power 2 in that place. Then bring the next one, bring it down, take it down. So that's our plus what? 0x. Also take the first one of the polynomial, x to the power 2 over the divisor, the first one, easy to divide. So if you divide, you are going to have what? You are going to have plus x. So use it also to multiply. So this one times this one, we have x squared. This one times this one, that's minus what? Minus x. So do the subtraction. So we have 0x minus x. So that's what? Plus x. The next one, also bring it down. So that's minus 1. The linear factor here, take the first one there over the first one here. So that's what? Plus what? Plus 1. 1 times x, that's plus 1 times x, that's plus x. And then plus 1 times minus 1, that's minus 1. And then do the subtraction. The quotient is this one, which is what? S cube plus x squared plus x and then plus 1. That's the quotient. So that's that on that question. X minus 1 and x minus 2 as a factor of the polynomial. So if x minus 1 is a factor, okay, the first thing we do is to write the f of x. F of x is this polynomial s cubed minus ax squared plus bx minus 6. Okay, so if x minus 1 is the factor, what we are going to do is to equate this one to 0. So s is equal to what? S is equal to 1. Then we can come back here, the f of 1 Anywhere you see your x now, begin to put 1 there. So that'll be 1 cube minus what? X squared minus a. This will be 1 square times a. That's a plus b minus 6. Okay? And in this case now, this will be equal to what? This will be equal to 0. From the Remainder Theorem, if that is a factor, we expect it to be equal to what? F of 1 will be equal to 0. So then we now have 1 minus a plus 1 minus a plus b minus 6 equal to what? Equal to 0. So we now have 1 minus 6 is what? Minus 5 minus a plus b equal to what? 0. You can move this minus 5, and move it to the other side. So we have minus a plus b equal to what? Equal to 5. Multiply it by minus, we have a minus b equal to what? Minus 5. Equation 1. For the second one, do the same thing also for x minus 2. So we're going to have f of 2 equal to 0. That will be 8 minus 4a plus 2 times b, 2b minus 6 equal to what? Equal to 0. Okay? And we're going to have now 8 minus 6, that's a 2. That's 2 minus 4a plus 2b plus 2b. So minus 4a plus 2b equal to minus 2. Divide the equation by minus 2. So we have 2a minus b equal to what? Equal to 1. Okay? So we can make b the subject here. So b is equal to what? B is equal to, move this one to the other side, 2. So substitute equation 2 into 1. So we're going to have a minus, my b is 2a minus 1 equal to minus 5. Open the brackets. So we are going to have a minus 2a plus 1 equal to minus 5. That's a minus 6. A is at 6. Then use any of the equation to get the b. Let's use this one. B is equal to what? 2a minus 1. That's a 2 times that 6 minus 1, and that's what? That's 11. That's 11.